We're proud to say that we're operating one of the most advanced automation and control systems in the water and wastewater industry. We operate 2 large wastewater treatment plants. The first is Klärwerk Gut Großlappen, recognizable by the digestion tanks directly across from the Allianz Arena, and the second is Klärwerk Gut Marienhof, located 10 kilometers further north near Garching-Dietersheim. Over the years, the system landscape has become extremely heterogeneous in terms of automation and process control technology, due to the expansion of plant sections, the construction of new plant sections, and partial modernizations. Eventually, it became necessary to re-establish uniformity and upgrade operations to the state-of-the-art, as required by the IT security laws and the CRITIS regulation.
The project began with a public call for bids. Siemens beat out the competition as we were the only ones who could actually deliver this project in all its complexity, because the 4 pillars, IT security, virtualization, the SIMATIC PCS 7 process control system, and follow-up service have to be interwoven. Yes, we really were the only ones who could deliver, and it's great to see how this complex system is now actually functioning.
We upgraded all installations in the plant to PCS 7 version 9. We placed the entire server environment on a virtualized platform with the relevant clients for operation. We deployed the whole system redundantly in both wastewater treatment plants and also used the APL throughout our plants. To do this, we had to check the existing configurations and sometimes adapt them. But it was worth it, because we're now truly state-of-the-art, which also enables us to take advantage of service and support for our system and to be ready for future migrations. As Münchner Stadtentwässerung, we're subject to the CRITIS regulation. We are critical infrastructure, which of course means that we have a greater obligation to keep our service, which is wastewater treatment for the citizens of Munich, running on a continuous basis. As operators of critical infrastructure, our main challenges were to keep this wastewater treatment process going in both treatment plants despite reconstruction measures, and to avoid shutdowns.
The treatment plant operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The wastewater always has to be treated. It was extremely challenging to keep the process from shutting down, and we were very successful. Münchner Stadtentwässerung has 2 treatment plants that are interconnected, and this project extends to both treatment plants simultaneously. This means that we have redundancy between these 2 treatment plants, even if one treatment plant were to shut down completely, meaning if the server infrastructure in one plant failed, the other plant could take over this function very, very quickly. The switchover would happen within milliseconds, so that plant operators on site wouldn't even notice if they were suddenly using the infrastructure of the other treatment plant. We've even tested it with our Black Start test, and the display didn't even flicker.
We're also proud of the fact that we've passed our 3rd round of BSI audits with flying colors, and that the new system environment, which played a key role in the 3rd audit, was inspected and declared secure.